Hello, hello. Good evening, everyone. Yeah, so let's just wait for the others, okay, before we start. Okay, just give it like around 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes stops and then we will start. Okay, good evening, Bono. Yeah, good evening. Hello, Alexander. Hello. Okay, updated human. Good evening. Yes. So again, let's just give it a minute more now and then let's start our live trades. Okay. All right. So, hello, Amir. Good evening. Okay, so I guess let's have a start. Yes. So yesterday, guys, I shared to you the video. Yes, I told you to get some dot. I also updated with link. I also told you to get the BNB, or I mean, check out the BNB trade. So did you guys got in? Anyone saw that? Yes, hello, Stephen. Hello. Okay, so yes, hello, Gail. Welcome. Nikki Show, yes, welcome, welcome. All right, so Dot. Yeah, Gail, you got the BNB. All right, so updated human, you also took the BNB. It's my first trade from you. How is it doing? Um, yeah, so BNB and Dot. Stephen, yes, good, good, good. So I hope you guys know how to manage your trades. So I gave you the entry, the trade setups, everything is there, even the exit. But then again, at the end of the day, we're not in my first, not in my first, but like I guess part three of the free trading lesson. I told you that you guys should be able to have your own brain, okay? In terms of trading, we're not ships, di ba? Yung ship, what do, di ba? They just follow someone, which is not good because at the end of the day, when something goes wrong, you won't be what? You won't be able to do about it, right? So learn how to manage the trade, and hopefully the free lessons that I give every morning, okay, will help you develop that skill, okay, the trading skill. So up 4% up, yeah, not bad for a day trade. I sent it out yesterday night. Yes, not bad. So hello, Jason. Yes, welcome. Okay, so now we have the dot around here. So this was the first entry, the first live that we did. I asked you to get an entry around 4.75, 4.75, and then we got the bounce. And then right around this area, I messaged around 7 p.m. Yeah, I did the screen record and everything because I was outside, guys. I was having dinner outside with family. That's why I couldn't do the live yesterday night. But yes, so right around here, I asked you at least 4.9. It was around here. The entry was around 4.9. And from that, after that video that I did, can you see how much did we push? That is around 4%, okay, to the upside. And right almost at our this red zone that we have, the red zone, guys, the zones that you're seeing in here, they are my key levels, okay, like really strong key levels. Like, can you see? Now I'm at the daily, so um obviously the dot is going to have some resistance along this zone. So around 5.1, okay, or around 5.49. I already took my trade yesterday night with you guys. Wait just a moment. hmm Yeah, so sorry about that. I was just checking the dot trade. So I'm up like 13% right now. So from here, yeah, 13%. Around here earlier, it was around 2024. So not bad, right? In a day, your account um grow into like, yeah, now it's currently running. So now what I'm just like seeing, you guys can move your stop loss. I already moved my stop loss around this area, right around here. Or if you want to be a conservative type of trailing, so this one is called trailing stop loss, guys. So if you want to be a conservative, or you're more, okay with this, so yeah, around here below this area, 4.99, you can move your stop loss right at that area, 4.992, or you can just put 4.99. Yeah, so this is just for, your security, in just in case suddenly we get the drop, because understandably so. Yes, we have the momentum, but that momentum that I saw yesterday night, which I told you to get, that there's a momentum to push up higher, and we did that. But on the higher time frame, you have to understand, guys, that we have been moving. Yes, we did a really nice break right here, a really nice break. But yeah, not for a very long time. We can go up and up. There will be some very small pullback. You know, perhaps all the way down till here. We cannot assess or say something about that yet, unless and until I personally gather data. But yeah, you guys can see that right here. Right here. On my candles lesson, yeah, I have mentioned these candlesticks already. So tomorrow morning we will have another lessons, guys. So it will be more focusing on the candle patterns, okay, which I personally use also. So, if you're interested about that, or you want to enhance your candlesticks more, yeah, you can get into my lessons tomorrow. Yeah, so right here, yeah, we have a possible pullback, possible. So, again, just in case, just secure your stop loss right here. But my stop loss is right around here, 4.7, no, 4.945. Yeah, let me check that one, 4.945. Yeah, so that one is just, just in case we have the drop, and it can happen. So another trade that I was tracking yesterday was the link, right? Um, yeah, so link literally just passed the resistance zone. So let me delete my alerts now. So what to do from here now? Yes, what to do? So for a very long time, this one is since April 28, guys, for link right here. So yeah, around 2 months of consolidation, we finally get the break. So I have my trade with Link, which I was holding since this area. Can you see this red one, this red area 5.2? I have my NT around here, but I just took some profits right at this resistance. All right, so if this one breaks right now, this one is not yet a break. I don't consider it a break yet, unless and until the daily closes, um, above that area. So 4 hour, can you see 4 hour is struggling a little bit? We have 18 minutes before it closes, but it doesn't look that strong for me. So, now we have some different scenario. One scenario, for you to be sure, is the daily. We need the daily close. So for the 4 hour, you can literally see that market is, in a halt position. So we have to be aware. Like, can you see this one? Market is in a halt position. What happens? Going down, halt position, reverse. So I'm not saying that there's a possible reversal with link, but more of a correction ba? So correction. So I had my entry right here, right at the breakout. 5.2 was a really good run, to be honest. Yeah, 15%, and I was doing 10x. Yeah, 150% return. Okay, so right around here. So again, this is situational, not that strong yet. I need the break of the 4 hour. Okay, right at this area. Okay, let me draw this one so you guys can clearly see this. So take note of this. I don't consider the trend lines to be like, oh, it's a support, it's a resistance. Not so. Um, I see the horizontal lines more, okay, or the zones like this, and we are literally hitting that. So if we go back earlier on the dot, similarly, so we are at the same, same area with length, a little bit more push, and then possibly have a pullback. But doesn't mean that oh, it's gonna go down. No. So when the pullback happens, I'm gonna look for for long entry position, and that would be updated every night. We're gonna have this live. Okay, so um just keep these charts also in your trading view. All right, so that's it. We're just gonna wait for the daily and then the 4 hour close. I am out of chain link, and dot. I am still holding the dot. Anyways, it's just a small position. I'm up a good amount now, 13 to 15%. So another trade, yeah, BNB. Let's open BNB right here. USDTP. Hmm. So this Floki, we did this one I forgot when, but yeah, it was around this area last Thursday. Also, it was just around here. I told you guys that there will be a rejection at the red zone, so just wait, for the around this zone. So what happened exactly? We got filled in a really good rejection, 2.9, and then from here, then we get the break. And that break is not small from this top. That's around 10% move in just a short time, to be honest. This one is a 15 minutes. So mind you, that's like around 7 hours only, 10%. But now there's nothing that interesting with the Floki currently. It already ran out of the, this opportunity. But more with Floki, I'm seeing it doing a okay 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so if you'll take this out now on the 4 hour, if I'll take this, it's more of, I'm just following the, so this is how you plot some trend lines, just some advice. Again, trend lines, they are subjective, guys, okay? I could be drawing my trend line like this right now, and then hundreds of people also are trading their trend lines like this, and then another hundreds of people are trading their trend lines like that. That's a problem with trend lines. They are subjective. So, but what I'm just doing is this, I'm just referring to the most important data in the market. Okay, whichever that makes the most sense out of it. So now that we are in the 1 hour, now you guys can clearly see that. Yeah. So Floki is doing like this. So I want you to just be extra careful with the breakouts. You thinking like, oh, it's breaking out to the upside. Wait for couple candles, guys, if you want to enter this trade. And mind you, do not be too greedy. If you want to enter this trade to the upside, if it breaks to the upside, okay, stop loss below here. And I need you to, secure some profits right around this area. And the most important thing, even if you don't secure your profits, the most important thing is moving your stop loss right at the entry when you get at this area. Okay, because this one, this red zone, we have plotted that is a resistance. So, when you get that break, okay, then you can just let it run. Or yeah, this one is a 14% move. That's big. Yeah, so same thing, going to the downside. But then again, wait for 2 to 3 candles for closing. That's what I mean. 2 to 3 candles closing, because it can happen like this. Goes up at this point, you'll be like, oh, it's going up, and then goes down, right? We don't want that. Yeah, but then it's not in my priority, so let's put it down. Currently, we have BNB. So far from when I have what's in here? Yeah, when I have shared this one with you guys, around here, it was just at this point. When was that? July 22 last night around 7 p.m. Let's open the 1 hour. Mm-hmm. It was around here, this area only. Now, around 242. Yes, I remember 242, guys. 242 asks you to, buy it. And then we have a push all the way till, yeah, at least like 2%. Not that much, not that impressive, but yeah, we got the move to the upside. I feel like BNB is gonna be slow currently if you compare with all of the coins out there right now. You know, BNB. Yeah, so BNB. Yeah, you guys are still holding BNB. Yeah, so I just want you to do this now. Since you are holding the BNB, I want you to look at Bitcoin at the same time. So, just a moment. Okay, like this one. Mm-hmm. Let me open 15. Huh. Okay. So, what do I mean by that, right? So, if you see that the Bitcoin is having a move to the downside, please be alerted with your BNB coin also, and do accordingly by, okay, just a moment. Yeah, do accordingly by keeping your risk, tight from here, slow, because if you see, guys, with the BNB, we get the push. Can you see this big push to the upside? It's really big, right? So that one is right around 4%. And if you check other coins like Link Dot, they did a really good, push to the upside. But with BNB, unlike the Bitcoin, we moved down. Yes, we did a move down like this. And that move down is also this guy. We did a push up with Bitcoin. So can you see the push to the of the Bitcoin to the upside is just 1%. But if you'll see the alts like BNB, okay, we did 2 times than that. And understandably so, I'll tell you guys that we have this thing, what we call in the market, a money flow of, of the market. So money flow is as simple as this: Bitcoin, alts. During bull run, you can say shitcoin, Bitcoin, altcoin, shitcoin, Bitcoin, and the cycle goes on. So if you see who had the massive push the upside first, Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin, money goes out, okay, or money goes out of Bitcoin, flows into the alt. That's what happened. And when the money, when we get the second pump, okay, or the second leg of the cycle, this one is just like 1%, but this time the power is with the alts. But of course, the drop is gonna be, you know, big as well. So right here is small, it's very small. So how can we trade manage this one with Bitcoin? I really do recommend you with coins like this to watch with Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, if we study that, currently we are under the resistance. So under the resistance, and at the same time, by the way, this is a 15-minute chart. So just let me open the 1 hour. 1 hour, we are pretty high. And if you have attended my momentum lesson, yeah, you can literally see how the momentum is slowing down in here. So we have the push to the upside like this. Okay, good impulse correction, right around 40%. Then we have the push to the upside impulse. That could have been a good, you know, what do you call this? Correction. But the problem with this is this: the correction time. Yeah? Yes, we did correct for almost okay, let me check that. Again, if you guys are wondering, about the impulse, momentum, everything, I have that lesson. I have the momentum lesson. I guess it's part 5 of the free trading series. Just watch it. Okay. So, right here, can you see it's just 23%? And to be honest, if you get a 23%, bounce, supposedly the movement to the upside, okay, is longer than the impulse. It should have been way longer. Can you see? But since it took way too much time, I guess if it was just around here, from here, this area, and then it breaks it, I guess we are gonna have a really powerful move to the upside. But then again, uh, this one is really long correction. And yes, we get the pump. And can you see how we got rejected right away, or like correcting right away? Yes, so let me so from this point, can you see, guys, how BNB moved? Just follow the cursor, watch the Bitcoin and BNB at the same time. From here, we get the push to the upside, a healthy push, right? A healthy push. And during this time, Bitcoin is really high. But if you see the Binance, okay, the BNB up right around here only. And during the Bitcoin era, can you see? It's flat. That is its correction in a micro time frame. And this is the correction with BNB. Can you see? So money is flowing with Bitcoin. Yes, we got the pump again to the upside pretty late, to be honest, because this pump of Bitcoin to the upside, okay, let's check right here. Ito yan, from here to there only. Yeah. But then when the Bitcoin, slows down, no movement at all, what did I say? When when Bitcoin is not moving or nothing, expect else to have their movement. So right here, on the other hand, the Binance is moving to the upside, pataas. But then when the Bitcoin did its dip, and deep, or in other words, pullback, the Binance did a really strong pullback to the downside right here. Then this was just Friday. And now we're doing the consolidation now. Yeah. So the consolidation again. So from here, we're hitting the resistance. So checking everything. I'm just checking, guys. Okay. Uh-huh. Momentum is still bullish. This is a 1 hour. 4 hour, not so. So for the advanced traders or for those who have heard of this before, that right here is showing divergence. So if you guys, want to understand divergence more, it is available in the premium. Okay, if you're wondering what is premium, just check the description down below. I have my link down there. So I give out, particularly um, lessons for everyone. Doesn't matter if you are a beginner or you don't know anything at all in trading. I give it out in premium. You get recorded lessons. But yes, uh, BNB, Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin is having divergence, but does it mean that it's gonna have a reversal? You can expect. It's like literally right now the market is telling us, hello, this push to the upside is questionable. Yeah, you guys understand? So we might have a push to the upside more, but I guess that would be the last of it. That would be the last of it, and we will have a proper correction. So right now from the 30K, okay, from the 30K, we might have a push to the upside. So watch out for BNB. Like right around this area, only 246. Okay. Currently we're 244. So 246 or 245 around that area. So do secure some profits now. Because we have been trading for since 15th. Yeah, a week worth of trading. And let me tell you something. When we have this cycle, especially in bull market, okay, there will be like a week like this of like going up, 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 and then when the correction comes in like around 3 4 days, sometimes 5 days. So 5 days, I want you to expect when the correction happen, it will last that time. Okay, so yeah, right now we are also hitting. I'm looking at the Bitcoin, so let's just like open around here. Hmm. Yeah. Okay, so Bitcoin again, daily. Let's just open the daily. So that was the push up. Sorry for the messy. Let me clean it up, guys. Okay, so it would be ano naman sa inyo. Okay, 7 days, blah blah. All right. So daily, supposedly, this is the thing. When we have a really strong move to the upside, can you see? We are what? We have the RSI to the upside now, and then histogram is playing around here. And the difference is this, okay? The difference is this. This push is hitting a really strong resistance, okay? That is the, you know what? Let's open other right here. Okay, so it will be clear. Yeah. So the difference is this. We are hitting a resistance. So the 3 day, I'm currently in a 3 day chart. 3 day chart started today. Okay, the 3 day session. So the past 9 days is actually impressive. 1 to 3 bullish candles. And then, you know, um, we are literally facing a really strong resistance in here. So for us to say that it's gonna be a real breakout, I'm gonna wait for the 3 day close above this zone, above 31. All right, so above 31, you can then expect that. 4 hour, yeah. If you see, okay, let me break it down. So day two, okay, looks similarly to 3 day. Now the daily, we're getting some red candles, wicks of the candles, yes. And then 12 hour, okay, just a little bit, but doesn't mean that it's showing signs. So if we see the 12 hour and then the daily, there's no divergence yet. So on the 4 hour, yes, there's divergence. So how are we gonna like process this? Is that there will be a pullback, okay, just to fill in this gap of the 4 hour divergence. So meaning Bitcoin might go down, okay, right around this zone again. Let me see. Uh-huh. One, two, three, four. Yeah. So I'm just doing this by the top trend line, guys. If it's gonna be moving this way, we should be having the bounce by now. But if we break this parallel channel, expect it to go till here, till this area. Just again to fill the 4 hour divergence. Why? Why is not gonna go all the way down till here, miss? I'm not seeing that push yet. We're very bullish, and there's no weakness yet in the 12 hour, the daily, no divergence yet. Unlike this one. Can you see that? That is a really good divergence. That is what we want. What happened after that? Up to the upside, push. But the difference in here, no divergence. So I guess it would be a really good opportunity for us to buy in around 29 with Bitcoin. Okay, if we get the tick on the lower time frame of this. Now, if I go on the 1 hour, mhm. By the way, guys, if you have questions, just let me know. Okay. So 1 hour, 1 hour right now, again, we saw that there is a resistance at this area. So we'll see. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is gonna be a really long consolidated whole day. Market haven't moved to be honest at all. Very small only. Yeah, Bitcoin has a low volume on the weekly time frame. So let me double check that. I can say on the 4 hour, yeah, because we already have the divergence. But the weekly, let's see. Mm-hmm. Next session. Just a moment, guys. Mm-hmm. Okay, so right here, yes? Oh, okay, that's weird. Mm-hmm. Okay, so all right, so it's showing. All right. Okay, so weekly again, volume. I'm sorry, what's wrong with this? Wait. Yeah, roughly so. Roughly so. So if you can compare, guys, just looking at this, yes, we are moving down, but there's a reverse pattern with the volume. Can you see? Ta-da! So when that happens, like this one, um, yes, there's a low volume, but it does not mean that oh, it's gonna be it's gonna be reversal right away because even now. looking at it by the MA, the volume is fair. I can say just fair, not strong, but fair. So that is why we cannot see no divergence on the daily, the 12 hour, 4 hours there. But I guess that's gonna be a micro pullback. So when that happens, it would be best. Yeah, this would be the micro pullback of that. So we'll see right here. Okay, so going now. So open BNB. Okay, BNB is having a bounce on the 1 minute. Let me check my trade, guys. Yeah, so let it have its, its pump or bounce. So just watch closely. 5 minutes. Mm-hmm. Okay, 5 minutes. So I guess even if the BNB goes up, around this point, like I said earlier, at least 2.45, be alerted or at least like secure some profits and at least move your stop loss at entry. Okay, with BNB. Yeah, with BNB around here. Okay, we're having the push. Link, let's see link. Link, yeah, that's gonna be having its what do you call movement to the downside. Link is not gonna have its movement to the downside now. 30. So for those who are like, risk takers, this is a really good scalping, I can say, short of link. But again, do not be greedy because the sentiment is bullish. So short around this area, very quick scalping only. Again, this is just a trade idea. I'm just sharing you guys trade idea. Open up your charts, okay? Study it and see your entry, okay? By the way, this one I was able to say that because again, this area is a resistance and we have been trading for so long as I have mentioned earlier. So dot, okay, dot. Oh, that's good. Now we're bouncing. Can you see? So, but the last 4 hour candle, it's in that neutral, no movement at all. So let's see this time with 8 p.m. US market is going to open soon. So that's going to be pretty volatile movement. Okay, I'm expecting. Yeah, 8. Can you see this, guy? This one is around 8, 9 by 10, 11. We will have the movement. I, I'm showing around here, guys, and I want you to look at the bottom area. We have the time stamp in here. 8, 9, 10, move. Right around here also. Uh-huh. 8, 9, 10. Can you see? By 8, 9, 10, we got the move again. So, that's what I'm gonna be watching with that only. That is why please do set in some stop loss at your entry or a little bit above just to secure some profits because it can get pretty volatile. And yeah, if it will move up, I'm gonna be exiting my trade right around here only. Okay, right around here. If it goes up, let it go up. Let's set in a new trade with that. But yes, we already had two positions for the last couple of 2 days only, 2 to 3 days only. Two trade with that. All right, so let's see some other charts in here. You know what to watch. Mm-hmm. SRM is not gonna be on our list. I'm taking that out. Waves did 37% today. Okay, let's see the waves. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Yeah. Mm-hmm. weekly 3 day. Oh, so we are late with wave. Trade is already gone. So what we can do not FOMO in. We don't do enter in the middle like that, and then expect the market to shoot up for us the same way it should up from the start. So, but it will be on our priority, meaning there is money and wave. So whatever pullback we will be getting with this one, that is gonna be our trade opportunity. Okay. So I'll just put it in my green zone or my day trading zone. OMG. Okay, I'm not saying OMG. I'm saying the coin, guys. Okay, OMG. Um. Okay, roughly the break resistance up in here. Let it form more. Okay, this one is not. It's still pretty unsure with me. Daily 12 hour. Yeah, pretty still unsure. So I wanted to break this one first. I'm not gonna put it in our list. Okay, it's gonna stay right there. K and C. So June 5 only we get the drop 30%. And of course the pump is gonna twice be twice on that. No, same 30%. Now I'm not interested with this coin anymore, guys. It already went up like anything. Unless and until of course I'm going to scalp it. But yeah, let's see. 4 hour. Nah, that is way too bullish. Momentum is way too bullish. Now we're not gonna touch this coin. Even counting this in elite wave, waves are still not done. Yeah, nah. We're not gonna touch this one. Kava 8%. Nah, that is way too choppy, guys. I mean, even at the daily point right now, and now looking at the 4 hour. All right, so I guess we might be getting something from here with Kava. I'm seeing some weakness in its movement on the higher time frame. Okay, 8 hour, 4 hour. Okay, so I want some alert with Kava around here. Again, I do not recommend this type of trading. This is I'm doing a scalp. Okay, like this. So I want to remind you guys this percentage to the upside, the stop loss is going to be 5.5%. So if you don't know how to handle this, the lesson is in my premium. It's in the risk management. Please watch that before you trade like this with me. Or you trade with me with scalping to the downside. Yeah, nothing to plan yet with Kava. Okay, let's not get ahead with it yet. Unless and until, it hits our alarm. Then only, let's plan some trade. And when it happens, guys, I'll share it in the Discord, okay, with Kava. If you're interested with that. Okay. SSC. Uh, this one is what? What is this? This is Axie, yeah? Today. Oh my god. How's Axie by the way, guys, now? So I literally haven't heard of from that. I mean, some of my friends, they don't trade crypto. They just get into crypto by the Axie. So what they do talaga is Axie. And I haven't heard that much news with it now. The last time I heard, one of my friend was asking me, when is the perfect time again to sell the SLP? I said, I do not know. Because it literally also comes with the fundamental. If there is anything worth or someone will give word with that. But but the problem is this with SLP and then Axie is the technical part doesn't work 100% or even 50%, I can tell you. Because even though the technical is looking so good, that, oh, by technical wise, okay, what the formation of this right now is pretty bullish. This guy, okay, that is pretty bullish. We're literally near the apex. So, that is by technical. But if you put in the fundamental aspect, that is where I'm gonna be or not touching this trade. Unless and until there will be like good news with Axie and then it's worth the position, then yeah, we can get some trades with it. BCH, okay. So suddenly it pumps so much. Nah, not worth it, not yet. 4 hour, 8, 6, 12 hour. Yeah, but it can be on the list. Yeah, can be. But there's still some momentum with BCH to push higher. How much? How much? Oh, that's really good. 78%. It's really good. Let's see the 1 week. Yeah, so let's just wait. I'm not gonna go for long, guys. I'm actually looking for a short. Okay, so just a heads up if you want to. Again, what I'm gonna be doing is scalping with this one. So it's a potential only, potential, but the formation for my scalping is not yet done. So I'm not gonna touch it yet. Okay, so let's go back. I guess we have enough BCH. This flow key, go down, bro. XRP, that is really ugly. Can you see this, guys? XRP, really ugly. I'm not touching XRP unless and until it clears out a proper formation. But yeah, it looks like this for those who are wondering. From this point all the way till here, it's looking so good. Oh, this one is a wide, um, wide formation, more of like it looks like a that megaphone pattern. But coming from the last, almost like last 10 days, we do not touch this one. Okay, so XRP down. Ocean, Ocean is nearing the resistance, so watch out. For those who wants to short it, you can. But again, shorting this market is it comes with caution because everything is bullish. So, but shorting from here, okay, from this area with Ocean, take profit. Do not be greedy. It's gonna be like this around here. If it's me, okay, if it's me who's gonna take this right here only. Stop loss right above there. Take profit right around this area. So that is around 2.3 RR. You're risking 6%, possible winning of 14%. Okay, with Ocean. Yeah, so that's one. Pepe. Let me delete this. No drawings. Okay. hmm So similar with the BCH, 78%. The problem with Pepe is this. We don't have that solid what do you call this? A solid reference, yes, for for support and resistance because it's a new coin. So how can you play Pepe is more of like short term, guys, like 5 minutes and 1 minute, okay? And I do not recommend that with the beginners. If you know what you're doing, especially in the higher time frame, you would understand how it is moving like this. Okay, pattern, another pattern right here. Okay, breaking out. So this is not a type of trade that you buy like the BNB and then you can sleep on it. Okay, like we did yesterday, and just don't mind it because it's not going to be having that big move. Okay, like catastrophic move, guys. You get what I mean? Unlike Pepe, on the other hand, one move to the outside like that alone, mind you, this is 10 minutes. We are getting what? 14%. Yeah, 14%. So, and then at the same time, out of that 14%, we get the drop to the downside 9%. So, very volatile. Oh no, that's good. Okay, we're getting the BNB. Let me check the BNB, guys. Oh, ho, ho. Okay, 1 hour. Okay, 2 minutes. So I need the break to the upside. Oh, finally, BNB is moving up. Let's see the trade. Dot still there. I need to see the link. Link goes up also. Uh huh. 15. Okay, dot. I need an alert of dot right around here so we can secure some profit. 5. Yeah, so for those who are in BNB, those who managed to get in around here with me, around 242. Yeah, 242. It was around this area when I asked you guys to, 242. So, 245. Okay, we're getting some rejection on the 1 minute. Let's see. Yeah. So I have set my alert in here. So what does that mean? It's just a mental alert or mental check for me, guys, that what I'm looking at, my thought process is correct. So, it's just a practice of me now since, oh, very nice. Mm-hmm. So I guess by this time, I guess BNB decided to have its move now after ages. It's like dot, link, all of the coins that we have did already have their big moves. But BNB on the other hand, oh, that's good. BNB on the other hand, yeah, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Okay, so we have the break. Can you see this formation? Like that. Yeah, so next level that we have to see with BNB is around this area. Okay, so expect some rejection at that point, that level. So 0.382, 0.5. Okay, that's a good one. Let me put my alert in there. Yeah, that's it. And I also want to put my alert down in here just to remind me or just to tell me that okay, there's a weakness with BNB on the lower time frame. So we can assess what to do. But that's it. We just let this trade play now. Okay. Dot, I'm up like 20% with dot. Yeah, that's good. Link. Going up with link. Okay. All right. So let's just watch BNB just have a chill. So you guys can. By the way, did you guys had dinner na ba? I hope you had some dinner, before getting in here. Can we have the settings for the fib? My full settings is in the premium. So, you can check it out. It's there. It's in my premium group. I also have full lesson with Fibonacci, how to trade it also, how I personally use it. It's in premium or it's in the crash course if you want the updated one. Like live lessons like this with what I'm doing with the free trading series, those kind of lessons. Mhm. 15 minutes. Okay, let's check. 1 hour and an extra. I do not like that. Okay. So, what does it mean if we, manage to break the 246? That's gonna be the midline of this whole structure. Can you see this? This whole structure right here. Yeah, right around here. So when we break the 246, expect this guy, mhm, right around this area, 247, 248, maximum to 245. No, not 250. It's a little bit high for day trade. Target, yeah, around here, guys. Okay, 247, 245. We're having a strong push with BNB. It's good. I want to see dot at the same time. Okay, link is pretty strong. Yeah. So let's open this in a 2 minute. No. Okay. Let's open in a 2 minute. What's happening with BNB? And then with the link chart itself. Okay. 6-1. This is the daily. 4-6. Divergence is there. Might have a push to the upside more. But I'm seeing rejection from that after that. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. It's like, uh okay. Just a moment. Let me take this out. All right. Okay, so that's the BNB for you right there. I'm just checking the link. Okay, just for a moment. 15:31 hour. Uh, not that much. Seeing some rejection from there. Dot. Yeah, I guess it will be time to book some profits with that soon. On the alerts levels, guys, okay, that I have put in. 15 minute. Okay, that's BNB. Let's check the Bitcoin. How is it doing? Mm-hmm. Still, Bitcoin is still not out of that resistance zone that we did earlier on the lower time frame. It being out would be good. Yeah, that's not. Mm-hmm. Where was that dot? Yeah. Okay, so let's just check it out. I mean, just watch this, guys. This two. This is my position right now. Mm, Let's open the 2 minute. About 2 minutes, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna watch the lower time frame. We already plotted our levels on the higher time frame, so we don't have anything to do now. So this is how, for the beginners, you know, most of your time, to be honest, is gonna be spent on planning the trade, looking for your trade, studying the trades. After that, once you are in, you don't have to do anything, but just watch it. Or what you can do, if you're not in a scalp mode, just day trading like me, like I can sleep on this, doesn't matter if it goes down like that. I don't it's not that I don't care, but like I can sleep on it. Okay, that's the thing. So yeah, you can close down your phone and then just spend time, watch a movie or something. you know that's it. So nothing much to do here now. We already had the breakdown. So yeah, beans playing around there. Okay, with dot. Okay, let me break down the dot for now. Cannot see that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. If this alert that I've put in with dot, um, it will just tell me that when we get around here, meaning that there is power with dot. Okay. And if we go below here, ayan, similar with the position that we have right now with BNB. So we don't have to do anything now. Just watch the two play. That's it. hmm So 2 minutes, 10 minute. Yeah, 10 minutes is just rising up. Can you see? Rising up. There's a lot of room to go up if it wants to. Okay. 30, 65, 1 hour, 15. I'm just scanning it again. Yeah, 2 minutes. So let's see. Yeah. hmm So if you want to catch up on all the levels that I am doing, I mean, like, Fibonacci, trend line, what do you call this one? Support, resistance, everything. All of my lessons are in Prime. I know Premium. Okay, everything is there. And if, yeah, I mentioned Prime because it just went inside my head that if you guys are interested on literally like trading, like doubling your money, okay, you guys, I don't know if you have heard about Crypto MD. Yeah, so just check him out. You know, I guess, yeah, he have Instagram himself, medico underscore crypto. Yeah, so you guys can check him out. So 2, 4, 5. Yeah, so nothing much. Yeah. 2. 3, 5, 10, 15, 30. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully, guys, some of you in the BNB position secured some trades now. Yeah, you can move your stop loss at entry. A little bit high than entry, you know. So we will close around 247. 247 is the max of it. But I am telling you now, like what I said earlier, around that right here, the alert that we got with the BNB, that was actually the area that right around here, 245. Um, that should have been the area that you guys have secured some profits. Actually, it's good to secure some profits now still because it's it's much higher. If you don't want to secure profit and you really like want to like push it to the upside, at least please move your stop loss at entry or like a little bit high than entry. That's it. Link, okay, I want to see link. Nothing much to see with link now. I'm just literally, to be honest, with link, I feel like it has already had its run. Like this is the push of it. Can you see this rejection? There was a massive push, but then drop. So, and not only that, we have some context also at the right here, 30 minutes. Can you see? The momentum is really slowing down because if Link still has that momentum to the upside, okay, it's gonna be what? It's gonna be a continuous up, up, up like this. But can you see this? Struggling, struggling. So to be honest with Link, what my approach right now is just I'm waiting for that rejection and I'm gonna be taking out I'm gonna be taking short position with my Link position, my bullish, the long. Yeah, so that was the alert with the BNB. So for those, I told you again, when we get at this level, secure some profits and move your stop loss at entry. Okay? So yeah, so BNB is getting some weakness at this point. So even if it goes down right now, we have booked some profit. So whatever is left now, it can be either by the entry stop loss or maximum 247 right here. So yeah, so going back with the link, yeah, I'm just waiting for the link to, slow down and then do some short position. But yeah, it's gonna be like a quick short position, more of scalping to be honest. Scalping. Okay, so let's go back on the 2 minutes. Mhm. All right. Mhm. Yeah, again, if you want to have access on the premium membership, guys, the description and check on the description. The link is just down there below if you don't have access on it yet. Okay. Mhm. And if you have any, trading questions, anything related to that, okay, feel free to message me in Instagram. It's just up, just up in there, at Mayari Capital. Okay. So if I'll see your message, as long as it is crypto trading related question, I'll answer that. Okay. And yeah, if you have business naman, for those who wants to, get in touch with me, just message me in Mayari Capital and Instagram. Okay, so link. Let's open the dot. I want to see the dot. 5, 2. What's my position with short link? No, I'm not in position yet. I am waiting, getting ready for the setup to be tawag dito, if you call it like to get cooked. But if the setup is full by then, yeah, or done by then I will be entering short position with link. But currently at the very moment right now, I still have that movement or like that energy to go up. So now I'm just, but it is getting tired that I can see with link. Yeah, so that's why I took my position out, my long position with link. But then, the moment we get the pullback, I'm gonna go heavy on long position with link. The moment, I see that there's a um, possible setup with it. But currently, what I'm seeing or what I'm anticipating for is a short position. Okay. Yeah, so you guys have the idea now that alone I gave you the trade setup, how even managing your trade with Binance. I mean the BNB. So maximum if you're still holding it 247 stop loss at your entry right now. Okay. I do hope you have secured some profits earlier and the dot is going down. So when that ticks when the alert of the downside rings, yeah, I'm gonna be securing some profit, but I'm not gonna let go of it yet. The dot. Perhaps I will. I'll just message in the in the Discord in premium. Yeah. So with link, by the way, yeah, I forgot. I almost forgot with link. I posted in where was that one? So this one is in premium, guys. Okay, premium intraday. Mhm. Yeah. So this one is in premium, and I posted this one yesterday for link long, around 5.5 to 5.56. Stop loss is there. You know how much you should be risking, 1% only. And yeah, take profit. So this one was around 8 a.m. By 3 p.m., almost 3 p.m. TP1 got hit, and then just this morning, actually, I was late to to post this now because I woke up a little bit late. And yeah, I was really caught up this morning, guys. That's why I wasn't able to do the webinar, you know, the supposed free webinar that we should be doing tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we will have that continuation. So yeah, all TP with the link got hit. So again, that is 5.5 all the way till 6.1. So this one is in Mayari Premium. So if you guys are wondering how to get in, okay, just go right here. So with Premium, guys, this is what you get. Okay, that this much what you are seeing right now. Okay, the trade alerts. This is the drive that I am talking about. which is full, or yeah, full of lessons that I have this did for premium members. You can watch it, everything is there. Okay. And yes, this is the Discord server. You can see everything. So if you guys are wondering how much is it, miss, so to be honest, it's just $30 per month. Okay, that is like 1,700 only per month, and at the same time, my full focus in here is sharing the lesson. This is a complete, guys. From you don't have. I had the problem when I was starting out. I'm asking what you know what topic shall I start with? Crypto, or what should topic shall I start with? Trading. I don't know. Yeah, that's why when I did my crypto journey, it was really messy. And it took me years, guys, to puzzle everything properly. But in here, yeah, you get the list now. It's all list down. What you need to learn from basics to advanced. Yeah, so going back on the so yeah, you also get Bitcoin report in here. Yeah, so this is the key. So this one, if you see in the Bitcoin, yeah, I have discussed this Bitcoin cycle 4 years. If you want to see that, it's just in here, all discussion right here. So this I have posted around May. Bitcoin at this point, guys, Bitcoin was just around here, if you can see that. And this is the gray zone, which is, if I'll zoom that in, that is 25,200. And we were just around 26,000 back then. What happened after that? Just 5 days later, we get the push to downside, get a, you know, pump, but the rejection of the trend line is there. And the last push, can you see? It happened. That drop that I was, getting them prepared with happened. So we got perfectly caught by the 25,200 zone. And then, yeah, from there, 25,200 zone, which is around this area, okay, we got the bounce to the upside. Yeah, so if you guys are interested with this, even my bull run plan, my personal bull run plan, I post in here. Okay, so if you're interested with this, just see the description down below. Okay, so yeah, so BNB went back to where we were earlier. So it literally just have the push to the upside. I guess even that now, yeah, about to hit my alert. Uh-huh. Let me fix this one. Yeah, that's pretty weak, guys. That we do not want. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so if this one gets broken, I'm gonna get out of my link. I mean, my dot trade. That's it. What's the Bitcoin doing? Huh. So this was the resistance that we were checking earlier, right? That is a pretty, yeah, even with link, it's getting weaker. Link is gonna be so sweet to short, you know, from here. I mean, like, can target all the way till down in here. Yeah, that area. Yeah, anyways, so, oh, well, almost like 2 hours. Yeah, we're past 1 hour of our live now. So, tomorrow, guys, I will be having the continuation lesson. I will be sharing my personal candle patterns that I use in the market, how to trade them, and all of that. So, if you're interested with that, okay, that is free, guys. It's just be there 9 a.m. tomorrow. Okay. Um, yeah, and then I'll share you my knowledge. Just take what you think would be applicable on whatever trading system that you have now. And you can take everything also if you'd like that. Okay, as long as it works with you, I'll be happy with that. Yeah, so I guess let's end our live in here. Let's continue tomorrow night again, yes? And yeah, we'll start the morning with the lesson tomorrow. All right, so thank you guys for being in here again. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, so thank you. Yes, thank you, Alexander. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, have a good night, everyone. And bye bye.